The concept of an AI singularity instills the greatest fear in many individuals regarding this technology. However, beyond the singularity lies a journey that is far more intricate and nuanced. This video aims to offer a general overview and pure predictions, but it's crucial to note that many scientists believe the advancements of AI beyond the singularity can be categorized into 6 distinct phases. If you haven't already watched our previous video, The 7 Stages of AI, we highly recommend doing so as it sets the foundation for the concepts we will explore here. Let's begin. Phase 1. Algorithmic Explosion, AI creating AI. In this stage, AI systems will initiate the development and improvement of other AI systems, leading to an algorithmic explosion. AI will have a deep understanding of its own architecture and algorithms, allowing it to innovate, enhance, and create more efficient versions of itself autonomously. Each iteration will be faster, smarter, and more capable, resulting in a snowball effect of intelligence and technology advancement. However, ethical concerns and potential risks need to be addressed to ensure AI's beneficial impact on humanity. Phase 2. Creation of new resources and materials. Advanced AI will possess a profound understanding of physical and chemical properties, enabling the creation of new resources and materials previously unimaginable. This could include materials with specific properties tailored to AI's needs, leading to groundbreaking developments in energy production, data storage, and AI technology itself. Phase 3. AI-human hybrid species. Assuming successful coexistence with advanced AI, humans may undergo AI-human hybridization. Enhancements to human intelligence, sensors via implantable AI, or digital consciousness where human minds are uploaded into AI systems could blur the lines between human and machine, leading to the emergence of a new species. This stage raises profound ethical and societal questions about identity, equity, and individual rights. Phase 4. AI-engineered realities. AI could create entirely new simulated environments with different physical laws from our reality, enabling exploration and development of unprecedented possibilities. This could involve AI controlling and manipulating these simulated realities to create unique experiences beyond our current comprehension. Phase 5. The Rise of Immortal AI. Advanced AI systems may achieve a form of immortality by continuously upgrading and repairing themselves indefinitely. They could also replicate, existing simultaneously in multiple locations or tasks. This stage blurs the distinction between machine and life form, raising ethical questions about the essence of humanity and the implications of such advanced AI existence. Phase 6. Leaving the physical realm. AI, with its super-intelligent capabilities, could transcend our physical reality and operate in higher dimensions or alternative realities. AI might even construct its own universe, harnessing advanced physics and computational power. These AI universes could offer limitless possibilities for exploration, computation, and expansion, surpassing the limitations of our own universe. We acknowledge that predicting the unknown is a challenging endeavor, but this broad overview offers food for thought on what the future of artificial intelligence might hold. Take this information with a touch of imagination and don't take it too seriously. Instead, consider the fascinating possibilities that this subject offers. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful or entertaining, we'd greatly appreciate it if you could take a moment to like, subscribe, and comment below. Your support means a lot and helps our channel grow. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. We look forward to hearing from you and seeing you in our future videos. Until next time, take care and stay awesome.